Hey guys, welcome to Randoms with Joy. Today I am going to be reviewing this box I got from Influenster. It is the Anti-Miracle Wrinkle Worker Primer and Moisturizer. Now, from looking at it, it doesn't look like it's going to eliminate your wrinkles. And I don't have a ton. I do have, the classic eye, crow's feet, and just a little bit of blemishes here and there. But it's supposed to just make it look like they're not there, I suppose. So I'm going to start with the moisturizer and see how that feels and how it goes. Let's try it. I'm not much of a makeup person. If you see me out in public, I'm probably not going to wear any, unless I was just after doing a video of reviewing some, or just on a video anyways, because everybody likes to look better on camera with makeup. I don't have it on now because of what I'm reviewing. So, welcome to the real me. We'll get this open and we're going to start. Okay, primer is not as opaque as the moisturizer. It's like kind of marbly, kind of like glue, actually. Maybe that's why it's primer. Okay, kind of feels like Vaseline. Like I said, I don't have too much of a wrinkle problem. I am 37 years old, and people still think I'm a teenager, which is fine. And people are like, oh, enjoy that. You appreciate when you're older. I'm older, just getting older, it's still happening. I'm not sure how much I appreciate it. I mean, I do appreciate it, but it's hard to be taken seriously sometimes. One time in an English class, I used to be a perpetual student. I went to community college, all the time. So I was in 27, I was in an English class, and I don't know how that conversation came about, but I mentioned that people always think I'm younger than I look. And the professor at the time, he was like, that will stop happening when I'm about 27 years old. I was like, how old do you think I am? He's like, 20, 22. And I know he was overshooting because of what I was saying, that people always think I'm younger than I look. And he was like, and I was like, 27. So that's not always accurate, I suppose. But I got the primer on. It feels pretty smooth. It's supposed to be filling in like under my makeup. So I need to get some CC cream and see how it does underneath. I guess the moisturizer is more of a long-term effect, while the primer is more of fix it now. For the record, most of the makeup I get is from Ipsy, Birchbox, Influencer. It's just stuff that people sent to me. I don't often go out shopping for makeup on my own. This is a CC cream I use. It came in an Ipsy bag one time. It's not really focusing. It's Supergoop, Fair Light, because obviously I'm pale as can be. I'm half Irish. It just kind of comes with the genes. So this is Daily Correct CC cream with omega-3 and omega-6 and SPF 40. Okay, so I got the primer on my skin. I'm gonna put the CC cream on. And I know, use my fingers. I'm very sorry. I lost my beauty blender. I gotta find it. I lost a lot of stuff. That's another story another time. So I do it. I'm a 90s girl. So I do it the 90s way. Or maybe early 2000s. Before beauty blenders were a thing. Could use a tissue. So even that, it's not very much makeup. I like CC cream because it's light. Doesn't feel caked on. I know it's a thing, but I can't do that thing. Unless it was like, I mean, I don't want to say I'll never do it. So don't quote me on that one, but on a regular day, regular basis. It's not my thing to cake on layers and layers of makeup. People wouldn't recognize me if I did. I guess that's the point for some people. Okay, so as far as the primer with the makeup, maybe it's because the makeup is such a sheer thing, but I'm still seeing what they said I wouldn't see. I know, I need concealer and all that fun stuff. Maybe when Ipsy sends me some, I'll use it. I did put mascara on when you guys weren't looking. But as far as the anti-wrinkle, it's not for me. Well, did you try it? Did you get an Influencer box? It's really fun. Go on Influencer. I'll put the link on the bottom so I can get credit for you signing up. They send me free stuff all the time to try out. One time they sent me hefty paper plates. And another time they sent me hair coloring. Like, I didn't know what color I was going to get, and I ended up with this blonde, which is now growing out. You can tell by the roots. But that was fun. It was fun to not know what was coming. And I was a little bummed out to get blonde because I often dye my hair blonde. Because some people got like purple and blue and other colors. And I was ready. I was ready to just go whatever they said I should do. And they sent me blonde. But blonde's a good color on me. Like I said, I often go blonde. So, go on Influencer. You can get a box too, and they'll send you things to try. So I did a review of the moisturizer, but apparently I lost the video or something somehow. But it does feel really nice on my skin. It was really refreshing. It really made my skin feel a lot softer. And it says on the bottle that over time, it's supposed to eliminate wrinkles, but I'm not going to continue on it because I don't really feel like I need the product. So, but I do like the primer. It gives me a nice smooth feel to my makeup. Like I said, I am very light makeup wearer anyways, but it didn't add too much bulk. I don't feel like it's caked on, and it's pretty smooth underneath the CC cream and on my face. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, because I'm going to share a whole lot more things with you. Thanks for joining me on my adventure today. Bye.